Very good morning, students. Yesterday, last class, we have seen like that the Battle of Plassey, and today we are going to see what happened after Battle of Plassey. And the Battle of Plassey, British rulers they become success, and Siraj Abdullah he defeated. And after that one, Miss Jafar, who helped the British people to make the Battle of Plassey successful, that person becoming the ruler or Nawab of West Bengal or Bengal. Then company they are thinking they are not ready to take up the responsibility, even though they want, but they are not ready because they was thinking about the expansion of their trade. They was thinking about expansion of their trade, and they need the privileges, but they are not ready to take up the responsibility, but they need the privileges, or they need maximum privileges, and they need territories also, and that is without any doing any hard work they want to get. So they was not ready to take up the rule. Then next point is the company discovered that rather it is difficult because the rulers, those who are becoming the Nawab, new Nawab also not behave like a puppet what they want according to that. So the Mir Jafar started to think about his own subjects. He want to help his own subject. So he started to think in that way. So he was not ready to become the puppet in the hands of British people. So what companies thought, again company disposing him to whom Mir Jafar, and installing a new leader, installing no leader, not making new ruler. They installed the new ruler, that is Mir Qasim. Mir Qasim also complained against the company, and even though they themselves made company made Mir Qasim as the leader, and he started to fight with British people, and at Buxar battle he become defeated, and the Bengal was again Bengal region was given in the hands of Mir Jafar. And Mir Jafar, what they said, military company said they want to pay a amount 5 lakh rupees every month. For what company they are ready to look after the that particular area. So Mir Jafar, as well as the Bengal Nawab, or that Bengal region, they want to pay 5 lakh rupees to give to the company. Then company will look after them, and this money they are using for expansion of their trade. They want to make maximum trade, and they are expanding their trade. Then and next step is what happened 1765. Mir Jafar he died, and company they started to think in a particular way that they want to become the Nawabs. Means company started to become Nawabs they started to become Nawabs there in West Bengal. So first time in 1765 they got the they become they appointed as the Nawab of West Bengal, and by that time they started to collect the revenue from the people. They started to collect the revenue, that also very high amount revenue. For what purpose they used it? For their own trade with the India. They used that money to trade with India. Before, in the starting days when they came to India, that time they was bringing gold and silver to purchase things from India. They brought gold and silver to India to purchase things. And this time, 1765 onwards, they stopped that one. And what they are getting revenue from India, that itself they started to use for the purchase of their things what they want. And we can see that one, and the company revenue they are using for their company expansion as well as their trade. And they purchase what all things they are purchasing. They are purchasing silk, cotton, textiles from India. And company they maintain their troop, and the cost of cost of their building new buildings. And they started to make forts in Calcutta and Chennai, like that, and the offices at Calcutta. For all these things, they started to use the money. Or when they got Nawabship in West Bengal or Bengal region, they was not ready to look after Indian people or the West Bengal people. Instead of that, they started to think about themselves. They started to purchase their what they want, and they started to think about their own expansion of trade. Then they started to make their own fort there, and they started to make and maintain their own offices at Calcutta. That was the duty was doing by the Nawab when they got the Nawab or Diwanship in West Bengal from, just after the death of Mir Jafar. Then company officials become the Nawabs. That is the Anglo-Indian version of Nawabs. What we was saying, where they when they came here in India, that time onwards they started to think like that. They want to become the Nawab. They want to become the Nawab of any one area. Then they can they will get maximum enjoyment like that. They started to think. And in the next page we can see that one, the